Hey guys, today I am going to be doing a favorites video. I don't think I've really ever gotten into these kinds of videos, but I'm starting to realize that I do have a lot of favorite things that I would like to share with you guys. So I'm going to do this video in two parts. The first part is non-beauty favorites, and then my second video will be beauty favorites. So right now, this one, obviously you can tell from the title, this is my non-beauty favorites video. So a lot of the stuff that I have is all in one location and requires to be plugged in and stuff. So I will show you guys all that at one time. And I will just show you the two items that I have in front of me that are not all plugged in and stuff. So this is going to be the first thing on my list because this actually helped me plan out this video, the videos that I'm about to do. So I found this on Amazon for super cheap, like $6, and it's called the Chaos Coordinator. And basically it's got like calendar in it, but then it's also got your weeks. So you can just like write down everything that you have planned for the week. Since it does have the little calendar, you can write down like appointments or events that you want to or need to go to. And for me, like I said, I've only had this about a week, but I wrote down all the stuff that I had planned out for the week, like what videos I wanted to do, appointments, what order I needed to edit and upload and all that. So this actually did come in handy, and I also made a list of all the items that I want to share with you guys. So I think that this is really cool. So this fragrance oil is my second item that I want to share with you. This is from Gold Canyon, and the scent is lavender chamomile. It just smells really refreshing and relaxing. This smell is like one of my ideal smells to have like the house or my bedroom smell like. Unfortunately I am almost out of it, but I really like this oil. I feel like the scent is really potent and it lasts a long time. So those are the two favorites that I want to share with you now, and now I'm going to move over to the other area and you guys will see what I mean when I show you. So this is my area of all of my non-beauty favorite items, I guess you could say. The first thing that I want to mention to you guys is this humidifier. It does change colors. It has light settings on it. Right now I just have it to change colors, but you can set it to any solid color that you would like. As you can see, it is throwing out that mist. And what I really like about this, sorry I'm all over the place. What I really like about this is that you can put in any like home fragrance or essential oils into it, and it's just going to make the room smell good. So I feel like it's really beneficial in really three ways. It's a humidifier, it puts out the aromatherapy smells, and I just think that the way that it looks makes me feel happy just seeing how the lights change and stuff. So I really like this. I got this on Amazon for $20. They do have all kinds of different shapes and colors, but this is one that I liked best. The next thing I have here is just an elephant wax warmer, and I got this from Walmart actually. I believe I got it $15, but you can use any scented wax melts or oils in it. I really like that it also is a wax warmer where you put the wax in the bottom tray so it's not all exposed and everything, and then it throws the light onto the wall, which I really think is cool. So those are my two favorite things for having my room smell good all the time. So this candle is going to be my next favorite item. It is called the Wickology Inspired by Nature, and the scent is Wind River Pine. It smells just really refreshing. It's not like too woodsy. It has kind of like I don't know, it's fresh but also smells kind of like nature. I don't know how else to explain it, but it is a wood wick. And then the last non-beauty favorite that I want to show you guys is this calendar. This is actually just a daily calendar. What I like about it is it has different inspirational quotes for every day. Today is actually Friday the 16th, but I'm going to change it. Saturdays and Sundays are usually together. I got this calendar at Michael's and it was on sale for $4. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I did get this candle from Hobby Lobby and it was 2 for $14. It was buy one get one free, I believe. I realize now that before I close out this video, there are 2 more favorites that I want to mention. One of them being these lights that you can barely see behind me. But I got these on Amazon for like, I think it was $10. And they are battery operated and they come with this remote. I just thought it was a cool idea to have in the background of my videos, but also just like when there's a quiet downtime in here, they are nice to have on. Especially like when it's darker. Right now the whole room's lit up, but. And then the last thing that I want to mention is actually this pillow I got off of Amazon, and it is supposed to be a bulldog. It does have a string hanging off of it, but it's supposed to be a bulldog, but since I have Boston Terriers and they look pretty much just like this, I figured I would get it. It is so soft and squishy, like it feels like a cloud almost, and its little paws are what really sold me. So yeah, I just think this is adorable. If you're interested in this, all you have to do is type in bulldog pillow on Amazon and I'm sure that it will come up. But yeah, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys in today's non-beauty favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And if you're interested in seeing my second video, my beauty favorites, then again, make sure you're subscribed so you will be updated when I upload that video. Hit the bell icon also if you really want to be notified, because that lets you know when I upload new videos. So subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.